Where are we going now, baby ko?
Kumakain pa ako ng noodles.
We're now going to the War Remnant Museum of Saigon. Where were we this morning, baby?
Tunnel.
Kuchitana. Very good. Exciting now. After the War Remnant Museum, where are we going?
Post office, I think.
Post office, and then
May isa pa. Yung hall nila. Saan to?
Reunification Hall, and then the church. What do you call that church?
Notre Dame.
Notre Dame, but it's raining, so. Oh, by the way, we have the same shirt. Look, oh, look.
We have the same here, though.
Ay, nako. Tapos, what time is the tour gonna end, baby?
Mga 5 or 6. Ano?